Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we continue angle properties of polygon. So angle properties of polygon, you have interior and exterior. Now we do interior first. Interior angle inside here. So as you know, this is a three-sided polygon triangle. The sum of angles equal 180 degrees. So three angle is 180. Now next one, you have four-sided quadrilateral. This is interior angle, interior angle, interior, interior. The sum of this angle, when you add up all this, equal 360 degrees. But when you come to this one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five-sided polygon. Now the sum of angle, we have to use formula. The formula is to find the sum of angle, sum of interior angle of polygons. The formula equal n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So use this formula to calculate the value or the sum angle or the total angle inside here. Now, what is n? N refer to the side, this one. How many sides for this polygon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have now 5 minus 2. This one refer to side, multiply 180 degrees. So 5 minus 2, you have 3. 3 times 180. You have 3 times 8, 24, carry 2, 540 degrees. So, the total or the sum of angle of five-sided polygon equal to 540. Now, let's say example here. You are asked to find the values of x, this one. But you don't know what is the total angle for this. Now, you have to count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use the formula first before you find x. Find the total first or the sum. Sum of angle or the total angle. The total angles are equal n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now, you already counted just now, you have 6 sides. So, 6 minus 2 times 180. Now, you get 4 times 180. You have 720 degrees. Now, what should you do? The total here is 720. Now, find the values of x. So, to find x, use the total 720. You minus all this angle. Use calculator to calculate the total angle here. Let's say you add up, use calculator. 130 plus 98 plus 110 plus 105 plus 160. So the total is 603 degrees. So you minus 603 degrees. Now 720 minus 603, you have 117 degrees. So this is the value of missing angle of a interior polygon. We continue to the next angle properties of polygon. So exterior angles. Exterior means angle outside. This one exterior, interior here, but the exterior is outside here. This one, another here, exterior, exterior, exterior. So this is all the exterior angle outside the polygon. Now, what is the sum here? No need to use formula, is already given. The sum of exterior angles of polygon is 360 degrees. This is only the value. Whatever the polygon is, the sum is 360. Either nonagon, pentagon, octagon, or decagon, any polygon, we have the sum exterior angle is the same, 360 degrees. No formula for this one. Now we go on to the example. Let's say, find the value of an exterior angle of a regular hexagon. Now you must know this one. What is regular mean? Regular mean equal. The angles equal, the side equal. Now let's say hexagon. So I draw here hexagon. You already understand. This one is 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one equal. All the side equal, therefore the angle also equal here. Now we are going to find the value of exterior. Each exterior, and exterior means 1. So what is the value of exterior here? Let's say this one exterior. Now they are equal, the angle also equal. What should you do? Very simple here. Equal 360. You have 6 sides, divide by 6. So the value of each equal 60 degrees. So here is 60 degrees. This one, you extend this one 60 degrees. This side also 60 degrees. This one also 60, 60. Now 60 degrees. All this one equal. So but must be understand regular mean equal. Okay.